Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to change your profile photo on Telegram app. Go to your phone menu, find the Telegram app and tap on it. Click on the left menu. Tap on your profile photo. Now tap the three dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Tap on Set New Photo. Choose a new photo from your gallery. If you want, you can make some edits to your photo. If you are happy with the changes, tap the right icon to save the changes. That's it. You have successfully changed your profile photo on Telegram app. This is how you can change your profile photo on Telegram app. Thank you for watching.